Hello, this is Rob from Intermatic Tech Support. This quick clip video is going to show you how to set up the time and date on an ET2000 electronic control and how to enable or disable the daylight savings time feature. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the door. There's a latch that you can pull and the door opens right up. You're going to want to hit the mode button until you get to your month flashing. In order to adjust your month, you hit the plus or minus button to adjust that. Hit enter next. In order to adjust your date, hit enter next again in order to adjust your actual year by hitting the plus or minus button. In order to adjust your time, you hit the mode button once, hit the plus or minus to adjust your time. If you hold down the plus button, it adjusts the time a lot quicker, so that way you can set it quickly. Be very cognizant of the AM PM when setting your current time. Then you're going to want to hit the mode button. You're going to see DST on the corner and it'll say on. It'll default to on. If you're in a state that does not observe daylight savings time, you're going to want to hit the plus or minus button in order to change it to off. If it isn't off and you do observe daylight savings time, just hit the plus button and it'll go back to on. Then once you're done, just hit the mode button and you'll see auto on your screen. You'll see your current time. You're just going to close the door and your setup is all completed.